Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance your home's value, especially in a city like Baltimore where architecture ranges from historic row houses to modern suburban homes. Beyond boosting curb appeal, new windows improve energy efficiency, security, and comfort, all factors that prospective buyers consider when evaluating a property. Here's how thoughtful window upgrades can transform your Baltimore home and increase its market worth. Boosting curb appeal and first impressions. Baltimore's neighborhoods, from Federal Hill to Roland Park, are known for their distinctive charm. Replacing outdated or worn windows with modern, stylish designs can instantly revitalize your home's exterior. Sleek vinyl or wood-clad windows complement both classic and contemporary styles, giving your home a polished look that catches the eye of buyers and passers-by alike. Curb appeal is often the first impression buyers get, and clean, energy-efficient windows communicate that a home is well maintained. Whether you choose bay windows that add depth to the facade or double-hung models for a traditional touch, the visual upgrade alone can make your property stand out in Baltimore's competitive housing market. Increasing energy efficiency and cost savings. Baltimore experiences both humid summers and chilly winters, making energy efficiency a key selling point. Modern window replacements, especially those with ENERGY STAR ratings, can significantly reduce energy costs by improving insulation and minimizing heat transfer. Double or triple pane glass with low E coatings helps maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round. These features not only lower utility bills but also demonstrate eco-conscious living, a growing priority for many homebuyers in Maryland. When buyers see energy-efficient windows, they recognize long-term savings and sustainability, increasing your home's perceived value. Enhancing home comfort and noise reduction. Upgraded windows do more than just save money, they improve overall comfort. Drafty, older windows allow cold air and humidity to seep inside, making rooms uncomfortable and unevenly heated. New window installations create a tight seal, preventing air leaks and maintaining consistent temperatures. Baltimore homeowners in busier areas like Canton or near major roads also benefit from noise-reducing window technology. Double-glazed or laminated glass can reduce outside noise significantly, turning your home into a quiet retreat. Comfort and tranquility are invaluable qualities that make your property more desirable to potential buyers. Improving home security and durability. Modern windows come equipped with stronger materials and advanced locking mechanisms, adding an extra layer of protection. Reinforced frames, multi-point locks, and impact-resistant glass options provide peace of mind, especially in urban settings. This added security feature appeals to families and professionals alike who prioritize safety. Additionally, today's window materials, like fiberglass, vinyl, or composite, require minimal maintenance and resist warping, rotting, or fading. This means homeowners can enjoy long-lasting durability without frequent upkeep, another strong selling point in Baltimore's active housing market. Increasing property value and return on investment. According to real estate studies, homeowners can expect to recoup up to 70 to 80% of their investment from quality window replacements when selling their home. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes with updated, efficient windows since they won't need to budget for immediate replacements after purchase. In Baltimore, where both historical preservation and modern design coexist, window upgrades tailored to your home's architectural character can enhance marketability. Whether you're restoring a 19th-century brick townhouse or upgrading a suburban residence, professionally installed windows add tangible and aesthetic value. Qualifying for incentives and rebates. Many Maryland energy programs and federal initiatives offer rebates for installing energy-efficient windows. Baltimore residents who take advantage of these programs can offset installation costs while increasing their home's value. This combination of immediate savings and long-term benefits makes window upgrades a smart, financially sound decision. Final thoughts. Upgrading your windows in Baltimore is more than a cosmetic improvement, it's an investment in your property's future. From boosting curb appeal and comfort to enhancing energy efficiency and resale value, modern windows deliver lasting benefits that homeowners and buyers both appreciate. Whether you plan to sell soon or stay for years, quality window upgrades are one of the smartest ways to elevate your home's worth and performance.